Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video, we will be doing a very small yet very interesting effect. For that, we need a blank canvas. So we will create a new canvas. I am taking A4 size and I am choosing landscape orientation from the right side. Also, in this activity, we need one image, so I will go on to click File, Open and choose any image. So I have downloaded a picture of buildings in Dubai. Now I will go back to my canvas and take Type tool to type something on my canvas. So when I click on my canvas, by default a dummy text appears, Lorem Ipsum. You can just press backspace and delete that, and here I will write what I want to write. So once I have written what I want to write, at the top there are two buttons, commit or cancel, which means if do you want to commit the changes, then press tick mark, or if you want to cancel it, press the other button. So I am clicking the commit button, and then using the first tool in the toolbox, that is move tool, I will click and place my text anywhere I want. In this, I'm just placing it in the middle of the canvas. If you do not have a layers window open, you can always go on to click window and click layers to see this layers window. And as you can see, there is a background, and on top of that now there is another layer which reads Dubai. Now I will go to the image which I had opened, press Ctrl A on Windows, and if you have Mac you can press Command A, Ctrl C to copy, and on my canvas I press Ctrl V to paste that image on the text. Now again, using the move tool, I can move around this image, and using the show transform controls option, I can change the size of the image. Once done to your satisfaction, again click on the tick mark, that is commit transform, and go and uncheck the show transform controls to get rid of those handles in the corner. Now once you have placed the picture on the text, you see there is another third layer which is appeared. Now you right click on the third layer, that is the image layer, and click on create clipping mask. You go on to the layer of the image, right click and click on create clipping mask, and you see the image goes inside the text. You can click and move the image as per your choice. You can also click the layer of the text, and using show transform controls again you can resize your text or move the text, and this way you can arrange both your text as well as your picture. Click to commit and uncheck show transform controls. Isn't it interesting? Now you create such clipping mask using different words and different relevant pictures. I hope you enjoy this.